I like the challenge to come up with a system that can do it for me. I would not like to sit in front of the screen for 8 hours each day and wait for an entry signal. It is not so important if your current result is good or bad. It is more important that you can repeat what you do and produce consistent results. There is a saying that one should never put all eggs in one basket, and sometimes a multi-currency system could save your account. To use an algorithmic trading system, you need so-called indicators. They give us a signal with which we want to enter or exit. Most people want to go all in right away, but all this comes with a cost. A small change like a floating type variable for risk settings can make such a big impact for the results. I have thousands of trades in backtesting and real time to back up my belief in my own system, and I do know exactly how it works. Have you heard about the law of regression to the mean? It is one of the two fundamental laws that are the foundation of my systems. Back when I tried discretionary trading, I would have never traded what I trade today. The only reason I let my system do it is, I have results. How are most trading systems sold? Everything is positive, and you will see images of bundled dollar bills, attractive young women on sports cars, or big yachts. That is not what reality really looks like. Don't believe that. No indicator can see what is going to happen. All indicators are visual representations of the past events. MetaTrader is free. It contains the programming language, and you will even get a free demo account with the download. Nobody would drive around with a car that couldn't adjust the speed, but a lot of folks think they can trade the same things the same way in a totally different market. A Forex earthquake happens maybe once or twice a year, but it is always unexpected and dangerous. Was the last improvement you made really an improvement, or does it just look better? How do you know? Each trader has to decide for himself. I put a lot of time and effort into developing an automated system that best meets my needs. Trade entry strategies are the most discussed topic when it comes to trading. In fact, there are people out there that focus on that part alone. There are people like Ray Dalio who have seen several crisis situations over decades. The good thing is that it is always possible to learn from these situations. Would you risk $100 to make $1? Or would you rather risk $1 to make $100? I think most people would prefer the second option, but this is only half the story. Currency pairs never declare insolvency. They are easy to understand and provide all the movement and liquidity I need. Maybe you want the excitement. Maybe you want to see big profits. And if you trade for the entertainment, that might be the cause why you try to manipulate your system. One of the things that are a good way to become a better trader might be a smaller account size for your real account. I would not be able to tell you what I had for lunch last week, and even when I have read a book for the third time, I wouldn't be able to reproduce it. In reality, you would expect to throw the dice 6,000 times and get nearly 1,000 results for each number on it.